is Grandpa Pig and George. Let's put on this mistake from a couple years ago. Peppa Pig. Lunch, 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 lunch.
Peppa and George have come to Granny Pig and Grandpa Pig's house for lunch.
Hello, my little ones. Would you like to pick some vegetables from the garden for lunch?
Yes, please. Grandpa Pig! Papa Egg!
Hello, Peppa, George.
This is Grandpa Pig's vegetable garden. He has grown all these vegetables himself.
Grrr. What's this?
Dinosaur.
A dinosaur? Ho, 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 ho. Let's choose some vegetables for lunch. Peppa, do you like tomatoes? George, do you like tomatoes?
No. George does not like tomatoes.
Oh dear. Do you both like lettuce?
Yes, Grandpa Pig. No. Yes, Grandpa Pig. No. Yes, Grandpa Pig. No. Yes, Grandpa Pig. No. George does not like lettuce.
Well, that's too bad. Because he will be eating it no matter what.
Oh dear.
I think you have mistaken me for someone who cares.
I must have something that George likes. Do you like cucumber?
Yuck.
This is beginning to get annoying.
George does not like cucumbers, and he does not like lettuce, and he does not like tomatoes.
Well, George, what vegetable do you like?
Chocolate cake.